So today we're going to be making a Go Fish game, and you will need a stick from the yard. We're going to be making 6 fish, so 6 cotton pads, some scissors for you and your kiddo to use, a hole punch, piece of string, and then I have ribbon. You can just use another piece of string, 6 paper clips, a magnet, and a small square of cloth. 4 sheets of construction paper, and you are going to cut out your own little fish stencil. So when I made the fish stencil, all I did was I took a piece of paper, folded it in half.
She's not taking it.
Drew half of it on, cut it out, trace it on a piece of cardboard. So now you need to draw 3 fish on each sheet of cardboard. I've already done these in advance on the other 2 sheets, and I already prepped the ones that we did for our co-op group. Now we need to cut them out. All right, Dee.
Okay.
You want to cut out the yellow fish?
Yeah. Yellow.
I'll cut out the blue fish.
Yeah, we'll do that together. 6 fish. Woohoo.
So you'll take 2 fish at a time. You're going to punch holes.
Now, we just put fish in a pack. We'll eat it. No, I will not eat it. You will eat it. I will not eat it. You will eat it. I don't want to eat it. You will eat it anyway. I will not eat it. Eat it!
So these pieces of ribbon happen to be 26 inches in length to get around our fish. The size of your fish will determine how much string you'll need to go around your fish. Okay, so we're going to take one of these little cotton pads, sandwich it in between 2 little fish layers.
What?
I just pulled it out. Take the first piece of string, or in this case I'm using thin ribbon. You'll tie it to the tail. Then you're going to whip stitch around the fish. Paper clip.
Blue. Also my favorite color, and yellow.
Put it through the front hole. Magnet, cloth, and your string.
What are we supposed to do?
The magnet in the cloth. And then wrap it off and tie it. Daphne, where's your stick, babe?
I will go get it. I'm back.
And then tie it around your stick.
And then it's a fishing pole.
Real. Let's see if it picks it up.
I got a big one. I'm a professional at fishing.
Thanks for hanging out with us. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below.
And hit that notification button to see of all of our upcoming videos.
Catch you next time.